Hi guys, welcome back to ABG Spoken English classes. Today we are going to discuss the science first chapter 8 class crop production and management and I will explain in Kannada. ಎಸ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಈಗ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಸಾಗೋಣ. Okay, dear students, here the first question is: the same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called crop. And second question is: the first step before growing crops is preparation of the soil. Third question is: damaged seeds would float on top of the water. For growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and water and nutrients. So dear students, here match the followings are here: Kharif crops, paddy and maize; Rabi crops, wheat, gram, pea; and chemical fertilizers, urea and superphosphate; organic manure, animal etc., cow dung, urine and plant waste. So dear students, next question we are going to see, that is a question number 3. Give 2 examples for each. The first one is Kharif crop, paddy and maize; Rabi crop, wheat and gram. Now we are going to see the fourth question. Write a paragraph in your own words on each of the following. Preparation of soil. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನು ತಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ವಿಚಾರವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಸಸರಿ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಕ್ರಾಪ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಸಿದ್ಧಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಬಹಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಬೆಳೆಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಯುವುದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಸ್ ಟಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೂಸ್ನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸಾಯಿಲ್. ಇದು ನಾವು ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು ಅದನ್ನು ಟಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಊಳಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹೊಲವನ್ನು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಸಡಿಲಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪೆನ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಡೀಪ್. ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ರೂಟ್ಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಸಸ್ಯದ ಒಂದು ಬೇರುಗಳು ಆಳವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗುವಂತೆ, ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವಂತೆ ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಸಡಿಲಗೊಳಿಸ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟು ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಇವನ್ ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡೀಪ್. ಮತ್ತು ಅವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಆಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಸಿರಾಟ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಾಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಎರಡನೇದು ಸೋವಿಂಗ್. ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೋವಿಂಗ್. ಸೋವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಬೀಜಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿತ್ತನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ದ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪುಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸೋವಿಂಗ್. ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಳವಾಗಿ ಬೀಜಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿತ್ತನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿತ್ತನೆ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯಬಹುದು. The tool used traditionally for sowing seeds is spindle shaped. Nowadays, a seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractors. This tool sows the seed uniformly at a proper distance and depth. The third one is weeding. Weeding means ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Some undesirable plants grown along with crop, and these unwanted plants are called weeds. The process of removing these unwanted plants is called weeding. ಕಳೆ ನಾಶಕ ಅಥವಾ ಕಳೆಯನ್ನು ನಿವಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. And fourth one is threshing. The process of separating the grain seeds from the chaff is called threshing. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಶಿ ಅಥವಾ ಹಾರ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೇವೆ ನಾವು. And the fifth one is here: explain how fertilizers are different from manure ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The differences are given here. Fertilizers. A fertilizer is an inorganic salt, and the second one, a fertilizer is prepared in a factories. A fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil, and fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and the potassium. And this side we have to see now. Manure is a natural substance obtained by the decomposition of cattle dung, human waste, and plant residues. Manure can be prepared in the fields. Manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. Manure is relatively less rich in the plant nutrients. So let us see now sixth question. So dear students, question number 6. What is irrigation? Describe two methods of irrigation which conserve water. The artificial method of watering the plants for assisting in their growth is called irrigation. Main sources of irrigation are wells, tube well, ponds, lakes, and rivers. The methods which help us to conserve water are sprinkler irrigation system. This irrigation system has an arrangement of vertical pipes with rotating nozzles on the top. It is more helpful in the uneven and sandy land where sufficient water is not available. Drip irrigation system. This irrigation system has an arrangement of pipes or tubes with very small holes in them to water plants drop by drop just at the base of the root. It is very efficient as water is not wasted at all. Question number 7. If wheat is sown in the Kharif season, what would happen? Discuss. Wheat crop is sown from November, December to March, April. It is grown in winter or requires less water. If wheat is sown in Kharif season, its production will be decreased considerably. And question number 8. Explain how soil gets affected by the continuous plantation of crops in the field. So dear students, here explain how soil gets affected by the continuous plantation of crops in a field. Answer is here. Continuous plantation of crops make the soil poorer in the certain nutrients as the crops take up nutrients from the soil. The soil becomes infertile. It does not get enough time to replenish the nutrients. The question number 9. What are the weeds? How can we control them? The undesirable and unwanted plants which grow naturally along with the crop are called weeds. The growth of weeds can be controlled by adopting many ways. Tilling before sowing of crops helps in the uprooting and killing of weeds, which may then dry up and get mixed with the soil. Weeds are also controlled by using certain chemical called weedicides. Weedicides are spread in the fields to kill the weeds. The question number 10. Arrange the following boxes in the prepared order to make a flow chart and the sugarcane crop production. Preparation of soil, preparation of soil, flowing the field, sowing, manuring, irrigation, harvesting, sending crop to sugar factory. And last question is the 11th one. Answer is given like this. Some mistakes are taken place here, but some ones are right here. And sorry for this one, it is not clearly given here. ಓಕೆ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.